Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've discussed why maintenance is crucial, it's time to get hands-on. We'll walk you through the essential checks and maintenance tasks you should be performing to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. Brake pad and rotor inspections. Your brakes are arguably the most crucial safety feature of your car. Worn brake pads or damaged rotors can significantly impair your vehicle's ability to stop, especially in emergency situations. Signs that your brakes may need attention include squealing noises, grinding sounds, or a spongy brake pedal. These signs indicate that your brake pads are wearing thin and need to be replaced before they damage the rotors, which are more expensive to replace. Regular inspections, usually every 10,000 miles, can ensure that your brakes are functioning correctly and prevent more extensive damage to the brake system. Staying on top of brake maintenance not only saves money but also ensures that your car can stop safely when needed. If your mechanic identifies that your brake pads are wearing thin or that your rotors are warping, addressing these issues immediately can prevent further damage and maintain your car's safety. Seasonal maintenance tasks. Preparing for changing conditions. Seasonal changes bring unique challenges for your vehicle. Preparing your car for different weather conditions is an essential aspect of preventive maintenance, helping you stay safe and avoid breakdowns. By taking the time to perform seasonal maintenance, you ensure that your car is ready to handle the specific challenges posed by winter and summer driving conditions. Winter maintenance tasks. Winter conditions, with cold temperatures and slippery roads, demand extra attention to your vehicle. Ensuring that your antifreeze levels are correct helps protect your engine from freezing and overheating. Antifreeze, or coolant, keeps your engine at the right temperature and prevents it from freezing during the winter months. Checking the concentration and level of your antifreeze is essential before the cold weather sets in. Installing winter tires provides better traction in snow and ice, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Winter tires are designed with special rubber compounds and tread patterns that maintain flexibility and grip in cold temperatures. Even if you don't live in an area with heavy snowfall, winter tires can still be beneficial in cold conditions. Additionally, inspecting your windshield wipers and replacing them if necessary ensures clear visibility during snow and rainstorms. Wipers are often overlooked, but they are crucial for maintaining clear sightlines in bad weather. Make sure they are in good condition and replace them if they are streaking or skipping. It's also a good idea to check your battery's performance, as cold weather can diminish its capacity. Batteries lose power in cold weather, so it's essential to ensure yours is strong enough to start your car on the coldest days. If your battery is showing signs of weakness, replacing it before winter can prevent a no-start situation when temperatures drop. Other winter maintenance tasks include checking your tire pressure. Cold weather can lower tire pressure, inspecting your heating system, and ensuring that your defroster is working correctly. Preparing your car for winter ensures that you stay safe and comfortable when the temperature drops. Summer maintenance tasks. The heat of summer can take a toll on your car, making it essential to prepare for hot weather driving. Checking your coolant levels and ensuring that your air conditioning system is functioning correctly will keep your engine and yourself cool during summer drives. Overheating is a common issue in the summer, especially in older cars or those with cooling system problems. Ensuring that your radiator is in good condition and that your coolant is topped off can prevent overheating. Summer also brings an increased risk of tire blowouts due to high temperatures, so make sure your tires are properly inflated and in good condition. Heat can cause the air inside your tires to expand, leading to overinflation and an increased risk of blowouts. Regularly inspecting your tire pressure and tread depth will help prevent issues and ensure safe driving in the heat. Other summer maintenance tasks include checking your battery. High temperatures can cause it to degrade faster. Inspecting your cooling system, including the radiator, hoses, and fans, and making sure that your brakes are in good condition. Summer driving often involves longer trips, so ensuring that your car is ready for the journey is crucial. The importance of regular inspections and keeping a maintenance schedule. Sticking to a regular maintenance schedule is essential for preventive car care. Your vehicle's owner's manual provides a detailed maintenance timeline, but you can also work with your mechanic to develop a personalized schedule based on your driving habits and conditions. Keeping records of all maintenance tasks performed on your car can help you stay organized and ensure that no crucial maintenance is overlooked. A well-documented maintenance history also adds value to your car if you decide to sell it. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance also help identify potential problems before they escalate. For instance, a simple check of your car's alignment during a routine tire rotation can reveal uneven tire wear, which might indicate suspension issues. Addressing such problems early not only saves money but also prevents further damage that could compromise your car's performance and safety. A maintenance schedule isn't just about following a set of rules, it's about creating a habit of caring for your vehicle. By making maintenance a regular part of your routine, you can ensure that your car remains reliable and safe for the long term. Why professional maintenance matters. While some basic maintenance tasks, like checking fluid levels or tire pressure, can be done by most car owners, professional maintenance is vital for more complex inspections and repairs. Certified mechanics have the expertise, tools, and diagnostic equipment necessary to identify issues that might not be apparent to the untrained eye. Regular visits to a professional mechanic ensure that your car receives the comprehensive care it needs to stay in peak condition. Professional mechanics can also provide valuable advice on preventive maintenance based on their experience and knowledge of your specific vehicle. They can spot early warning signs of issues and recommend preventive measures that can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Their ability to diagnose and repair complex problems is unmatched, making them an essential part of your vehicle maintenance plan. Furthermore, professional maintenance often includes warranties and guarantees, giving you peace of mind that any repairs or replacements will be done correctly. Skipping professional maintenance in favor of DIY solutions may save money in the short term, but it can lead to more significant problems down the road, particularly if the repair is done improperly. When it comes to your vehicle's safety and longevity, it's worth investing in professional care. Preventive maintenance and your driving experience. Preventive maintenance doesn't just save you money and keep you safe, it also enhances your driving experience. A well-maintained vehicle performs better, offering smoother handling, better fuel efficiency, and a more comfortable ride. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, knowing that your car is in top condition allows you to enjoy the journey without worrying about unexpected issues. By staying on top of preventive maintenance, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a reliable vehicle. You won't have to worry about sudden breakdowns, and you'll spend less time and money on repairs. Instead, you can focus on enjoying the road ahead, confident that your car is ready for whatever comes your way. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.